Hi students, Olevels Online presents the video lecture series for adjustments of financial statements. In this video, we will discuss the exam tips for depreciation part 5. This video series is helpful for those students who are appearing in Cambridge O-Levels upcoming exams, either in June or November, through CAIE or IGCSE, for accounting 7707 or 0452. Let's begin the exam tips material. First tip for the recording entry for the depreciation. Depreciation account debit and asset account credit. In this entry, depreciation debit due to expense in nature, as we know in the lectures. Let's move to the next tip. Second tip of the closing entry for the depreciation. Profit and loss account debit, and depreciation account credit. Depreciation account has to close with the profit and loss account, due to expense in nature. Let's move to the next tip. Third tip for the impact of depreciation on the financial statements. These impacts are important for examination point of view. Examiner may ask in the multiple choice questions, or theory questions in the subjective paper. In profit and loss account there is no impact on gross profit, due to depreciation recording, although expense increased, because depreciation close in it, its impact on net profit too, it will decrease because expenses are increased. On the balance sheet, fixed assets and total assets both have no impact, due to depreciation recording. Let's move to the next tip. Final tip regarding profit and loss account: extract or position of depreciation account in it. Depreciation account should place under expense heading while preparation of profit and loss account. Examiner normally ask to prepare the extract of P&L in the exam. Positively, you got a clear understanding for the depreciation recording, closing, impact on financial statement and P&L extract according to examination point of view. If you have any question regarding this discussion, you can ask in the comment section of this video. You can download the related formats and lesson material through the link provided below. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, like and share video with other people to learn from it. And please subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.